Hi there, this is Chris Kellett with museGrid.com, and we're going to take a look at our new two-way slider widget. Now this widget, let's take a look at the preview. This widget has got a nice action in the fact that the images slide from to the left and the text goes up to the top, from bottom to the top. But of course Muse doesn't have a widget that does this with a single widget. So how have we achieved this? Well, quite simply, we've just laid one widget on top of the other and set the timings to match so that we get this nice dual two-way animation effect. If we take a look at the units, there's a desktop version suitable for iPad as well, for tablet, sorry, not just iPad, and we have the mobile version. And they've just been grouped together, so if you click the unit, the whole unit moves around, but in actual fact it's two separate units. If we want to work on these, we can either right click on the unit and then group, or we can just double click in and select the individual units. So if I click in there and select the background image, we can see that this is actually a slideshow. So to change the images, we can just use the image folder icon and change the images. Now what about if we wanted to remove the images that are already there? Well, that's easy to navigate through. All we need to do is click on the blue arrow icon, open up the panel for this particular widget and switch on the previous and next. That will now allow us to navigate through each individual image, click on them and remove that image. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. What about this slider here? So if we click on this, this is actually a tooltip composition, and we've set it to stacked, as we quite often do. We've set the event to on click because we don't really need that event because we've got it set to autoplay, and we've got the speed of transition to 0.8 seconds and the wait time of each slide to 4.5, and you'll notice that in our images in the background we've got the same settings as well. Let's just switch off that next and previous there. So if we click into this here, we can click on the navigation dots, and those are just the normal navigation dots moved into play here. We've set the background for the slides to this transparent fill, 50% black. And then we've, instead of having the round dots that the tooltip widget usually comes with, we've just squared them off by switching the radius off and making them a bit smaller. And we've got this state going on so that when it's highlighted, it's the green that matches the screen here. And then we've just gone ahead and we've put a text box in and created our text in that. And we've just got the three different items there. So once those are overlaid on top of each other and grouped together, we then end up with this nice composite widget that has got this two-way scroll effect. And you could mix and match those effects up. You could have sliding and fading and so on. So it's a nice technique for creating an original slider that looks great on the page, but using the tools that are available to us in Muse. And the mobile version is built exactly the same way. We've changed the design slightly to match the mobile layout, but it works in exactly the same way as this one. So that's how to use the two-way slider widget. We hope you like it, and we look forward to seeing what you build with it. Thanks for watching.